To install the cinema app on Roku and watch content from it, start by enabling external app installations on your Android device. Go to Settings, select Security, and enable Install Apps from External Sources. It can be from Chrome or whatever browser you have. This allows APKs to be installed. Next, open a browser on your Android device, search for a trusted Cinema HD APK download site, and download the Cinema HD APK file. After the download, go to Play Store and search for All Screencast to TV Roku, and then go ahead and install it. This app will help cast content from your Android device to your Roku. Now, turn your attention to the Roku device. Access the Roku channel store, search for All Screen Receiver, and add it as a channel. With All Screen Receiver set up on both devices, open the Cinema HD app on your Android device, select a movie or TV show to play, and when prompted, choose Open with All Screen. This option initiates casting and the video should start playing on your Roku via the All Screen Receiver channel.